thought you made the left here. Oh well. I screwed up. This is what happens when you don't have a GPS right in front of your face. Up, straight from right turn lane. You screwed up. Didn't stop, Subaru drivers. Red light, run.
Problem and returned to the bathroom, where Siri was still on the floor and still
Red.
Pick her up, I yelled. He picked her up, gave her the bottle.
You didn't stop. Didn't even stop. You got some snow in your car too.
A few moments later.
You didn't even stop again.
A few moments later.
Oh!
A few moments later.
And you run another stop sign.
Fast in sort of designing their own hardware and handling innovation, just recounted.
These days, it's,
oh, geez.
As of now, where do things about these characters? I mean, putting aside.
Red light, run.
Why
Nissan drivers.
In a space race, ongoing concern.
Yes, it is.
No turn on red.
A lot of credit for being
You could have waited like 3 seconds, but you're going in the video. Sorry.
The Butlergate tapes and allegations of tax evasion and influence peddling have added an extra
Did not
twist to
stop.
the public spat between them.
Did not stop on red. Oh, asshole left.
Delicate statement that reassures Carson, the press, and the public that the story's
Red light,
claims
run.
are untrue.
Pedestrian. Why are you letting him cross in front of you? I'm in the middle of the street. God damn it.
It's a September weekday morning in 1989 in the CBS parking lot.
You did not stop.
In his usual conservative.
Spidey senses tingling. Yep. Exit dive. Nissan drivers. Over the line! Get on your side.
In 8 minutes, this becomes a thing you can't say anymore, and then somebody posts this fucking thing, and then
Nice cutoff.
you start running that.
What are you doing, man? Do you see me here?
And 10 to the 35 years around there.
Okay.
It's a dive.
A lot of years in the future.
Well,
So.
there you go, happy boy. I hope you lose sleep over that.
Exit dive. Subaru drivers. Don't tell me you're going to keep going. Didn't stop. Florida. Exit dive.
Problem solver products, since they work best when used together. The development process also involves extensive allergy testing. If a product
They want you to
I
be
want the
funny
guitars.
every 8 fucking seconds, like what they just saw you doing.
Uh-oh. Are you diving for that exit?
A silver tube instead of the gold we usually use. And I think we should use this color scheme for the store counters.
Another
as
exit
well.
dive way up there.
White with pops of silver. It was set. You'll need to sign these documents.
water stand.
Another exit dive.
The bad had to happen. If it didn't, we would still
Nope.
be walking around with blinders on, not seeing the world at large. We wouldn't have been.
A shout out for his role and his line. Buddy, I'm gonna shoot you in the face. If you don't put
Exit
your hands
dive in front of that budget truck.
on that fucking dash. That's buddy.
Nope.
So fast. John Levy was the biggest jerk-off in the history
You
of
just
Hollywood.
ran a red
For him to
light.
call my agent and say I was harassing him, characterism. Do it in hostility, Bob ordered me. I tried. I didn't get that.
Red light
second.
run.
I tried again. Now just a real one. I would finally make my family proud and the church proud. I gave notice that survivor
backup
insurance
of
by sending out
shame.
a company-wide memo announcing my fellow co-workers have survived studio first to audition, and then if you make the cut, you went to the network. If you didn't make it, you would get the "it's not
Oh!
me" line. But if you did
Slip
go
and
on, it was a
slide.
long day. It came down to me and this other girl. Understand better. A fight with a boyfriend, problems with your mother, an issue with a colleague at work.
You just
But if
ran
the
a red
needle
light.
doesn't move when you
Show. Of course not. I'm calling it tonight.
Mess hole
The
left.
network brat. With no fees or minimums on checking and savings accounts, answer might be
Red light
yes.
run.
After all, you're listening.
producers because you're very green. Don't worry though. I know you now, and I'm gonna keep you in my pocket. I'm gonna call you, I promise. But I did worry. I walked out of the studio defeated. I had blown it. My big chance to be an actress. Marry Brian / Eric and
What
be
are
a big
you
star in my
doing?
family's eyes into the church.
Yeah. It's harder than I've known before to stay out of the laugh lane. Yeah.
9 New England SEIU say they should get paid on time every time.
Nice
but Angel
cutoff.
Hawes says that isn't happening.
Nope. 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 Yeah, nice cutoff. Straight to the left lane. Nope. Exit dive. Exit dive. I feel like I'm repeating myself. Red light run, that white Honda. Wait, was that straight from left turn lane? I didn't really see it. Did not stop. Did not stop. Oh! Exit dive. Exit dive. Did not stop. Hello. How you doing, DHL? Usually your trucks are yellow. That had to have been red. That had to run a red. Nissan driver. Let's put some bets. See if this Nissan driver is going to roll the stop sign, because everyone rolls the stop sign. Holy shit. He stopped. It's amazing. But that truck rolled it.
Hey, I know you hit a bunch of snow. I have no idea what the fuck's going on.
Uh-oh.
This is what I do know. I'm free! Woo! I've been watching, I got the Celtics on in the background, recording.
Red light run. That is an exit. That is an exit dive. Yeah, I knew I could say it eventually.
Free drinks bought your way. And you and all your unicorn, beautiful lady friends who all work hard and pay your own bills.
Line jumper.
Okay, yeah, and every guy I know.
Exit dive. Another exit dive. 2 in a row.
I love the audiences and the food, but above all, I enjoy the everydayness of the job.
I didn't even stop. Just went right through.
How come that one left the church and they seem to be doing okay? It was always the same.
What?
But are they happy, Lee? Truly? What about their eternity?
Nice cutoff.
Yeah.
Double line. You're gonna wait like, I don't know, a couple seconds. Straight from right turn lane. Oops. Someone changed their mind. And someone went straight from the left turn lane. Let me guess, my vehicle warranty. And you just turned on red.
And then Carson strides out from behind the curtain like he's done it 1,000 times, like he owns the place. He's trim and dapper.
Yeah, stop in the middle of the street. Good job. What are you... This is why you don't stop in the middle of the street. Did not stop, BMW. Or Subaru. No, trucks in the left lane. No, 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 no. You cannot be there. No, no, no. Truck with Chinese lettering on it. No, no, no. You cannot be in the left lane. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please click like and comment and subscribe and all that. Thank you very much. I'll catch you later. Okay, bye.